Order submit. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Good morning. Day one on the eval. Good luck. Unfortunate there. Tried to get the retest, but sellers just went straight through it. Unfortunately. Yeah, had the buyers close really strongly up here. Thought we get a little retest there, but we did not. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. So I might try to push up again though. But the sellers might be kind of in control here. Definitely seems to be more sellers on delta and volume, as well as on ES. You see they already took out the lows, made a little bear flag. So a little strange that Nasdaq's doing the opposite. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, that green, not yet. Just tried to go for another retest here off the London high, and unfortunately it just like went right through, stopped me out, and then went back up. So stop was, I guess, a little too tight there maybe. Hard to say. We'll see what we can do here. Let's go along this morning. That's what it looked like. That's why I thought for sure get that little retest, continue higher. But then a bunch of sellers kind of came out of nowhere. And then ES is actually taking out lows and going lower. So it's a little hard to say what's going to happen now. Because ES looks very bearish. While NQ looks bullish. It's definitely going to have to maybe be a little cautious. Yeah, it definitely can be a little extra volatility. It is definitely smarter to wait for that 15-minute range to set. Also, thank you for the roses. Appreciate it. Those are up candle wicks. It's going to pop up. Hopefully. But yeah, kind of like, again, just looking at ES, which typically the NQ and ES tend to follow the same trend. We have ES, It could hold here and go higher. But it's still looking pretty bearish. But yeah, I think, like you said, if NQ, it still could probably hold, yeah, like the 50, 60 area right here and go higher. Yeah, definitely rejected the overnight highs very strongly. That's what this lineup here is. Got up there and said, nope. Are you long or short? I am neither right now. Just waiting for something good. Yeah, 60s wouldn't be bad right at that fair value gap. And yeah, stop down here. Wouldn't be bad. So far it's kinda working out nicely. There's a lot of sellers though. If you look at Delta, a little hard to show on the stream. Maybe it's not that hard actually. Let me see. Properties. Not that one. This one. Yeah, if you look at Delta here, this is the volume of sellers. And you see it's falling off a cliff. So there's definitely a lot of sellers. But price does seem to be holding, despite all of the sellers. You see that right here. A lot of sellers, but price is holding, which could be a good thing for the buyers. But yeah, with all those sellers, it does make it tough. Take a good wick candle up. That's facts. I'm long 65. Alright, well, good luck to you. Looks like it's kind of holding up at the London highs there, but it could also break out. Could be a bull flag as well. Kind of higher time frame, like the 2-minute looks pretty clean. Wow, 85. Oh, well, there you go. The next life. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. This market lately makes me have to just get in and out. Hate trading that way. Yeah, I'd agree. Sometimes it's nice to get like a quick trade that just like hits your profit target. But yeah, when you feel like you just have to get out because there's just like so much chop or mess, it does make it a little annoying. Instead of just like letting it run and go even farther into profit would be ideal for sure. TPI 85 got out, 82. It's not bad though. Just like a couple points missed out, but you guarantee to win, right? Because sometimes, as we've seen on this stream firsthand with some of my trades, they'll miss my profit target by literally like 1 point and then go down to break even or my stop loss. So honestly, if it gets close and doesn't quite hit it, there's no point in being greedy. Like, you might as well just take the profit, lock in the win, even if it's a little bit less. But we did make our way back down. Might follow ES here and take out the lows. Kind of what I'm thinking will happen, but we'll see. There's still a lot of sellers on volume. Yeah, I might need to start doing that too. Not gonna lie. The longs might be done. We'll see. Again, held the London high there very well with these wicks. Pushed us all the way back down to the bottom. Kind of holding up still though. Trying to make its way back up. Again, could still kind of be like that higher time frame bull flag. Although it did take out these lows, so yeah, it could just randomly pop, exactly. Usually like 4 minis, but it's forcing me to use one. Yeah, no, this volatility's been a little crazy. ATR's at 18, which isn't crazy, but still crazy enough for sure. And like some of the last couple days, it's been like a 29 or 30. It makes it a little rough for sure. Yeah, looking like it wants to pop up now. Yeah, that is crazy. ES going up too, but not quite as much. It's like the 15-minute range is about to set, and honestly, we might just be kind of chopping. It's kind of what it's looking like. Unless we again break out of either right here or down here. Just can we kind of set that range with the first 2 minutes, and then we kind of retrace down to the bottom of it to get some liquidity. But yeah, until we break the 15-minute high and low, I would guess we're gonna chop. We're in a pops and drops. You can't account for no matter what strategy. Exactly. That's NQ for you. Sometimes it works in your favor, sometimes it doesn't. And every strategy is gonna get screwed by it at some point. This could be that break, both of the 15-minute range, but also yeah, this is New York high from yesterday. It definitely faked out all the shorts. Hopefully that means we can get a retest off.
Order submitted.
Here, continue higher. But the sellers might come back and say, just kidding buyers, we still are here. Yeah, ES is definitely looking better for the longs now too, so might just needed a little bit of
Order filled.
something. Alright, so far so good. But then that happens.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we're up like $100 and then we just slapped down and got stopped out. I tried to move break even, but by the time I did, I was already past it. Yeah, not sure how to trade that. Also, this account's blown now, basically. I mean, I got $15 left. So that's unfortunate. For those of you who were here for that crazy trade where I won the trade, but then I ended up down $900. Yeah, I was this take profit trader account, and they got back to me this morning saying that there was no widespread issue. So, because there's no widespread issue, therefore they can't help me. I think is what they're trying to say. I know, like unless it affects literally everybody, it's like, no, doesn't matter. Like, I might still respond to them and say, hey, like, here's like the video. Like, are you sure you can't like help me? Like, I'm about to blow my account because I only had like $400 or $500 of drawdown left, which is why I basically I kind of need these two trades to work out. But obviously, I mean, look at this. We take out the highs and then these sellers come in. Yeah, a day like today. Just unfortunate that today was the day that I tried to save the accounts. Because obviously we just got kind of wrecked. Need your channel, tell me more about it, how much it costs, and what are you doing? I mean, I don't charge anything for you to watch my my videos or my stream. Unless you're talking about like prop firms and stuff, and those usually $50 to $100 to kind of get into trading on a prop firm. Floating ticks, pretty good deal right now. 35% off, first time buyer, 20% off if you've already used them before. You get a 50K account, all in, no activation fee for like $50 or 60. Pretty solid. Yeah, I don't charge anything. Might make a Discord at some point, but now I do not have one. Yeah, that's a rip. That's why I stopped using them. Low key, like, I know it's hard to argue against that. Like, don't really want to use them if I'm gonna get screwed over like that. But also, they mentioned it might be like a NinjaTrader problem, which like kind of sucks because like I don't want to like not use NinjaTrader. You know. At the same time, if NinjaTrader's gonna, if that's a possibility of happening in the future, I definitely don't want to risk it by using NinjaTrader. Yeah, this price action is horrendous. See on hands, just took two trades last night and one just a little bit ago, up 900. That's good that you're up in profit already. But yeah, there's definitely no follow through today. I mean, this is literally like textbook account blowing price action. Which again, typically I would take my two losses and then it's like, I'm done on the day. And now I know, right? The problem is like, it's hard to know that this is going to happen until it's already too late. Because like you can see here, we took out the highs, and then we took out the lows, and then we took out the highs, and then we took out the lows. Basically, we're just stop hunting right now. Like, stopped everyone out up here, stopped people out down here, stopped out up here, stopped like, and then you look at the 5 minute, and we got this, we got this crap. No, yeah, definitely can't be trading this until we actually break out and get a trend. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Yeah, rest in peace. Take profit trader counts. Is what it is. Oh, food delivery. Earn about 50, 100 for new evals. Yeah, no, that's not a bad strategy. Definitely. That's what my buddy's been doing. I mean, he hasn't been trading and buying evals, but he just started doing like a couple hours of DoorDash after like midnight or like around midnight just to get like a couple extra bucks. And just like whenever he can. I think he's almost made like 200 bucks this week so far. Obviously not great. It's Thursday, but like just a couple extra hours. Oh yeah, Vegas is probably real good for food delivery and stuff. Yeah, I'm definitely at this point waiting for it to get out of this 15-minute range and establish a trend because so far we've managed to stop out buyers and sellers with basically every move. And like I don't know who's making money with this unless you're literally just like waiting for it to go lower and then buying and then waiting for it to go higher and then selling. I know some traders kind of do that where they basically wait for it to like go up really high and then sell. And as soon as it like gets down here somewhere, they buy again or whatever. And then it's like, oh, it's up here, we'll sell. Just trying to take advantage of the market being overextended. I don't know if I'd even say the market is overextended. I don't know. It's weird. Technically, we do have
Order
like
submitted.
bearish price action here because we did sweep highs and take out lows, but I kind of imagine the buyers go all the way back up here based on what we've been doing. But this is a nice bear flag. I don't actually have any drawdown left on this account. It's $15. But if we do get in this trade and it just like goes straight into profit, I might be able to save the account in theory. So I guess that's what we're hoping for. See if we get lucky. We got very unlucky the other day, so maybe it's about time my luck turns around here. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if buyers just kind of bring it all the way back up. Kind of like this hold right now. Yeah, that's true. The 50-60 area. Do be holding. Could still be good for the. Could still be good for the overall long bias. Yeah, no, I definitely would personally wait a little bit longer. But yeah, that's a nice hold and it's pushing nicely.
Order canceled.
Yeah, it might kind of hold this gap in the London high, the overnight high. Go back down to 50 again. Yeah, we are pretty much just chopping, to put it simply. Definitely gotta get out of this 15-minute range. Well, this bear flag could still kind of play out here, actually.
Order submitted.
I might... I don't know. It's worth a shot.
Filled.
But
Order filled.
yeah, it didn't work. I was gonna say, only had 15 bucks left. If it was gonna just kind of like enter and go down, I might have been able to save the account, but was not lucky enough. Maybe if I had my order up here, maybe I could have, but it looks like I would probably be in like a losing trade anyways. Just one of those days. Could not save the accounts. A little unfortunate. Kind of blame. I don't know who to blame because Take Profit Share is claiming it's not a trade evade problem or like a connection problem. They're claiming it's like an Ninja Trader's problem, but like, I don't know. Still frustrating. Couldn't get like a little account reset or anything from that. Now the account's gone, just like that. Yeah, crazy day. Back up to 90 would be sweet. It would make a 40 stop. Yeah, there's a nice wick here. Obviously, we kind of are failing the bear flag, so we could definitely push back higher. So I might just do it. Almost to the 90s there. Break even. Dang, unfortunate, but better than a loss. I tried to go break even on this dumb little boy right here. It's up like 120, but as soon as I click break even, it was already below my break even point. Yeah, this freaking market right now, so choppy. Top City, that's right. I mean, we're choppy, kind of on the overall swings, but also even just the last 5-10 minutes have been up, down, up, down, up, down. Lots of wicks. Very ugly. Don't let the maker see you enter any trades. You're sneaky about it. Dude, honestly, they're watching the stream. But also, unfortunately, hopefully I'm wrong, but I think they're just watching the markets too, and they can see all the orders coming in. Because even as a retail trader, I can like look at the DOM and see a lot of the orders and stuff. So like, even if I try and hide them from the stream, they'll probably still see them in like the books and stuff, and they'll know that I'm trying to make some trades. Yeah, only using one mini is probably pretty smart right now. It looks like we could get a little push down here, maybe. Finally. Don't want to jinx it. We do have view up right here as well, so that makes it really hard to know what's going to happen. Because we have the 15-minute range low, which again, if we can hold below, that'd be great. Which we so far failed again. Big surprise. We got view up down here as well. So it's a very interesting area that's definitely hard to... Yeah, I don't want to be selling right here. But also, if it does break out lower, you don't want to be buying here either. It does make it a little bit difficult. Dang, big red candle, big green candle. And then that candle looked like it wanted to come back all the way down. Get some shorts, maybe. But frig, this price action, I don't even know, man. Kind of bouncing the bottom of the range here, so it only makes sense that we go back to the top of the range. Definitely not something I want to trade. Now it wants to go. That's what it looks like, but I have a hard time having any faith in it right now. Could happen though. Kind of feels like a long, kind of feels like a short. That's the problem right now. Nobody knows. Yeah, those London highs, that's what this blue line is. 25,085 does not want to get past it. I rejected it 3 times, just right here. Trey, thank you for the follow, appreciate it. No, yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. If we get below 40, below the 15-minute range, we're definitely gonna squeeze out of this range and probably crash back down to the London low. Short 53, I'm gonna try it. Good luck. ATR's at 23, and we still barcoding. Exactly, like what is this? It's not even 10 o'clock yet. ATR's 24, and we still have untradeable price action. I mean, all I have to do is like squeeze it down like this, spread it out, and now it looks like, oh yeah, we're going nowhere. But no, yeah, it should be trying to do something. 5-minute chart is so bad. Look at this. I'm gonna try down to the 20s. Then well, good luck. And we got wicks on the top and the bottom. I do still kind of like the shorts. There's definitely a lot of weakness to the upside. But at the same time, we got wicks on the bottom, wicks on the top. And until we actually pick a direction, I have trouble having a true bias. No, I definitely agree with the overall shorts. And that could play out right here, actually. It might be about to break. But although I agree with the shorts and like the upside weakness, especially on the 1 hour, I also wouldn't be surprised if we, just based on what we did earlier, right? If we sweep the lows here and then buy all the way back up here, back up to the 90s. And personally, especially with futures, it's hard to hold that. But yeah, it looks like ES did break. So yeah, it looks like NQ is about to do it. Yep. There it is. I'm gonna go for a retest off this level right here. Yes, the shorts are playing out. It was just only a matter of time. But yeah, if I sold right here thinking, oh yeah, now we're gonna do it, or even like up here, it's like maybe a little profit, maybe. By the top of the range, not a bad idea.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I don't know what that is. It's not a good close below. But even here, it's like we took out all the liquidity down here, stopped all the buyers out. We're already like, I agree with the shorts, but I wouldn't be surprised if the buyers bring it all the way back up to the top of the range. So unless you have like a really small size, I mean, you can't really hold this very well. Otherwise, you'll be holding it for like 50, 60 points up to here. And you still might get stopped out before it goes down. Yeah, more than 1 minute today would be quite the risk. Well, we're below EMAs now. Yeah, now that we're below EMAs, but also, yeah, 15-minute range low on the 1 minute here. And just like from the overnight session, definitely looking like we're gonna hold this and keep going lower. I was just kind of using that as an example, like the way that we did this earlier. Like we swept these lows, and then we went all the way back up here, like 60 points higher. And then same here, we swept the lows, and then went all the way up here, 85 points. So eventually the shorts are definitely going to work. And this could be a bear flag here. Yeah, especially with this high ATR right now. Hard to know where to put the stop and like how to hold this. Yeah, definitely can take some cheap profits, of course, but again, if you get caught on the wrong side of the profits, where do you put your stop, you know? Because it could definitely bounce up like it's doing right now. Because if you got short right here, expecting it to finally continue lower, I mean, you're down like 40 points, 30 points, $600 on one contract. Not quite out of the shop yet, unfortunately. Yeah, back to that 50-60 area again. Yeah, the big guys love to chop and delay for sure. They want all the impatient traders to make mistakes and make them more money. You see, yeah, this is what I was worried about going short down here. Again, still agree with the overall short bias, but if I got it short down here, I'd be down 50 points up here, so it's like $1,000. Which, if I had a big account, I'd probably be fine holding that, right? But not on these propfirm accounts. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Seeing that pump up again as soon as this actually, yeah. Now, when you see stuff like this, it's very, very smart just to say, I'm not going to be a part of this because we're not going lower. We're also not going higher. And it's kind of just manipulating and taking out stop losses, right? Which I'm not here for. I want my profit target to get hit, not my stop loss. Yeah, buyers finally kind of pushing above the 90s. I don't know if they'll actually take control here and go higher, but looks like they kind of want to. Like I said, I still definitely agree with the overall 1 hour short bias, but at the same time, these buyers are pretty strong. Like I said earlier, with price action like this, I just don't trust on the 1 minute time frame. Do not trust. Exactly. More chop. If anything, we'll just sweep these highs again, stop a bunch of people out, and then make our way all the way back down to the lows. It's just one of those days. All the sellers thought we finally broke out of it here, and then they all got stopped out up here. If they didn't get stopped out here, they might get stopped out up here. I mean, it's rough. Yeah, that's what I've been thinking. Really rough price action. Not much to really do at all. Left my desk and came back to more chop. SMH. Yeah, no, it's bad. But then there's these sellers coming out of nowhere, so I don't even know what to think. I would definitely. I mean, hey, if you can make some money with this price action, good for you. I'd recommend sitting on the hands and waiting for some sort of trend or break from this range. Yeah, that was a nice strong recovery. Which, yeah, I mean, it would be really hard to still want to go short after this recovery. But with this little slap, maybe the shorts are the move now. But at the end of the day, we're chopping. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes. Ugly. Even the 1 hour. We have like 3 candles in a row with wicks on top and bottom. We're about to get a doji candle in the 30 minute. So yeah, this is rough. You took anything? Yeah, I took some trades earlier. And as you might imagine, got stopped out because I thought, oh, for sure, we took at the highs, we're gonna retest and we're gonna go back up, right? Continue higher. No, we came back down all the way to the lows. And then somewhere in here, I also thought maybe we'd go the other way. It might have been this bear flag here, and then obviously we just chopped around after that. There might have been another one somewhere in here. Oh yeah, this initial kind of push up. And I thought we'd get a retest bounce, but no bounce all the way down to the lows. Again, very bad price action. I found out the hard way that today was a chop day. Since we did have like these nice swings, but like they didn't mean anything. Just a little bit of manipulation. And now we're in this chop. The eternal chop. Time for practice, man. See you later. Well, good luck. I will see you later as well. I mean, yeah, you look at this big selling candle. And then right after that, what do we got? We got green candles making its way all the way back to the top of it. Like, as far as momentum goes, there is no momentum. Typically, after you have a strong candle like this, usually more sellers come in and follow it, right? They like to continue the momentum. But instead, all these sellers push the price down, then they just like step away and give up and say, okay, we're done. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, just waiting. Might have to pull out some battlefield or something, I guess. See if we can get it to work this time. We've been having some issues with it in the past, just with my OBS and like the encoder settings, and for some reason it like kind of bogs down the graphics card. No, it doesn't actually bog it down because like my game is still pretty smooth, like when I play. But then sometimes it'll be like just a little choppy on the stream, because like I don't know, I guess the VRAM or the whatever gets kind of like spiked up at like the close to like 100% usage, and then it just kind of doesn't have a lot of extra room to give to OBS. And then that causes it to have the little bit of chop, which is a little unfortunate, a little dumb. But yeah, we've been working on trying to get a fix for it, so hopefully we can soon. Just been a little busy in the afternoons and evenings, so haven't been able to do like any test streams to figure it out. Ignoring the 15-minute EMA, bad sign for Momo. Oh boy, yeah. Just going straight through it. Definitely, like I said, no momentum right now. Every move you think has a momentum. You think, oh, maybe the buyers are finally making the move. Maybe they'll continue the move. No, they don't. They say, not today. Rihanna, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. That 1030 dump should have been the big move down. Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking and hoping for as well. But it just didn't happen. There's just like no follow through. Oh shoot. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't have my settings configured for this. Oh boy. Oh, that was dumb. Alright. Woke up late too. Ah, shoot. Looks like we are actually at the highs here. Might even close above the 15-minute range high. Actually, I guess mine might be in the wrong spot here. Might actually be a bit lower. That wasn't a bad retest off this level here. Let's see if we continue higher or not, or if we just sweep these highs. Go back down. Yeah, I definitely need to figure out my settings for the helicopter. If I'm gonna try and fly that again. Oh, that was rough snipe. I've not played this map before. But it looks promising. The giant construction next to my crib, the alarm didn't even register to my brain. Gosh dang it. You hate to hear it. Alright, let's see if we can maybe lock in here. But also maybe not, we'll see. Might be almost ready for some trades here. I feel like a retest
Order
off
submitted.
this wouldn't be bad. But I also don't know for sure. Just not.
Order filled.
But again, the way the markets are moving, now that we took these highs out, the sellers might just move back down to the middle of the range. Yeah, we just can't get more than like 5 points. We kind of holding there. Not the best though. Might just go break even. It's don't want to get chopped up and stopped out. HR's great. Gonna check back in at 1 p.m. Yeah, hopefully it's a little bit better price action by then. That would definitely be ideal.
Stop filled.
Yeah, there's the stop out. Oh, there's a tank bay. I have nothing to fight the tank. Looks like we did get the push up though. Not a bad trade, just a little unfortunate. Forget you have to like tap fire at range. It makes sense, but sometimes it's easy to forget that. Someone's over here. At least they were on the map. Well, it looks like the bull flag kind of playing out now too. Dang it. There's someone around the corner, but there's also someone right there. I'm not doing too hot. I'm not locked in. My grenade button's wrong. Gotta change that. Yeah, where's my throw grenade button? Alright, it won't. It wasn't working. What the heck? Alright, that should be good. Should be what we want. Alright, there's that push up though, finally. Yeah, hard to... Oh, damn, those guys are pre-firing me like crazy. But no, yeah, hard to... What was it? Argue against the longs being the move now. Definitely still could be a chop city for real. We did break out of the chop. I'd say officially we broke out, but it doesn't mean we won't come back. Just throw some smokes over there. Alright, alright. Oh boy. Do not get... Go for the revive. Chapters with the high ATR respect the 1 minute RSI ranges. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, that was bad. Bad little push. Hopefully I can get revived. But I don't know if I will. Unfortunately. But we'll see, we'll see. Won't give up quite yet. Might be pushing a little heavy here, but getting a little greedy for some kills. Oh boy. Grenade almost got me. Oh, got you.
Enemy contact in my AO!
See if we can flank these guys. Nope. Yeah, recoil is not the easiest in this game. We're literally getting 0 economic data. Yeah, today, no news. I think there was some like natural gas or crude oil something, but typically doesn't really help the market. So they're bringing it back down.
Stay with me! Let's go!
We're back. Oh boy. Almost getting sniped. It's a pretty good little head glitch.
Come on! I knew you had my back!
Ah, I looked away. Look at that chat. That's awkward. No, this is a bad spawn. Get me out of here.
Enemy vehicle! Lighting up!
The sellers bring it back all the way inside the 15-minute range. Damn, what gun is that? It's like a machine gun? Nothing beamed me from that distance. Definitely, I did not stand a chance against that. Tank. Alright, alright. Jeez. I think I took a lot of bullets. It's like we are about to win. Nice. I didn't do much that game, but well, did a little bit better at the end. So we are kind of holding yesterday's high, which is the blue line right here. For now anyways. I actually could get a close on the 5-minute next 2 minutes bottom of the range. Or top of the range down here. Below the 110s could be good for some shorts potentially. Alright, I haven't played this map yet. Sure does look good. I know it's from Battlefield 3, I believe. Just my driving skills here. Oh, I might be stuck in here. Oh wait, no. We could probably just break the wall, right? It's a Battlefield game. I can break anything I want. Maybe if I shoot it. See? Easy. Alright, I might get out here. Oh, why is that guy looking at me right there? How does he know? How does he know? I saw his laser too. I was in a pretty decent spot, but he knew exactly where I was. Alright. No teammates. Alright, alright. Yeah, it's still very hard to trade this with this price action. That's why we're playing some Battlefield. Battlefield 6. Let's get up there. Oh my gosh. I'm so dead. It's like a tank or something trying to snipe me. Personally. Personal attack. A lot of snipers too. Actually might be a good map for sniping. Jeez. Close one. Got two guys above me, it looks like. Not really sure. There's too many of them. Oh, that's cool. Battlefield moment right there.
Contact!
Oh no, I'm in such a bad spot. I love this gun, but it's just not quite good enough at range. Whatever guns these guys are using is just kind of better than mine. Not bad though. Oh, that's so cool. The jets sound amazing in this game. I don't know if I can really push across here. Oh. Dodge and weave. Oh, I got him for 95. Unfortunate. I could be shaping up for a short here. See if we can hold the lows of this little trend here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, we're in short on a different account. See how that plays out. I have to change it so you guys can see it on the screen here. Oh, no, I can just do this. Just a micro. Going for like 140 bucks. It's like a 70-point move though. Yeah, my aim's just a little off. A little bit off. Yeah, see if we can get this straight here. Maybe do something cool in the game as well. Might switch to sniping. Yeah, level up sniper. Oh, he's a sniper as well. Might take me a sec to figure out some of the just the distancing with this sniper in this game. Apparently that rock did not give me enough cover. That's alright, we'll figure this out. Wait, how did I miss? Dead. Oh, my game like froze. There we go.
Come on!
The enemy have secured more objectives. Let's strike back. Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Nice. Yeah, sniping is quite good in this game. Oh yeah, the headshot. It is a little hard to see though with this
Machine gun!
sight. The red dot's kind of big on it. It's a little blurry too. It's kind of hard to really get a crisp lineup. Alright, market's still going down. Got a bear flag playing out on the 1 minute. I just can't see it. 97.
Got eyes on a sniper!
I don't know the range on that. Oh. Bad challenge. I can't tell if that's a person or not. I don't think so. I'm gonna say it's not.
Sniper!
Good shot.
Got eyes on enemy tank!
Bad shot. Nice sniping this game. Super good. Super nice.
Enemy tank!
I would revive you, but you're out in the middle of the open. Oh, he ducked. Alright, that's definitely some bad aim, but also my screen keeps shaking because of the explosions. I think it's a valid excuse. Also, I don't know what happened to the market there. We had a nice little push down, and we just instantly rejected back up. Actually, I will be right back. I gotta go for a minute. Alright, I'm back. Butcher calls. I'm in a short right now, but I have no idea. Market's kind of just chopping around again. Makes it really hard to know what it's gonna do. Hard to say. I might be making another push down here. Up 20 points so far. Might still end up being a good trade after all. We'll see. Sorry about that. Alright, we're good, we're good. Almost back down to these others right here. Get down there again, sweep them. We might have to go break even just to lock in some wind. Or not even lock in wind, just go break even so we don't lose the trade. Might be a good idea. There's a little sweep. Hopefully we just get down to VWAP and push down to these lows down here at my target. That would be definitely ideal, you could say. Yeah, we'll go break even. Let it do its thing. Up $80. What's that, like 40 points? Nice, nice. Almost up 100. Oh, there's that little push. Real close now. Kind of want to just like lock this in, but I also would be unfortunate if it just kind of bounces back up there. We got real close though. Kind of getting stuck at VWAP now. Imagine we still get down there to these lows though. Maybe lock in 100 here soon. Kind of maybe follow price down if possible. Looks like we're gonna get though. We might move our stop just kind of behind it just in case we miss it by a little bit. Should get it here.
Target filled.
There we go, 140. Nice short there. 70 points. Yeah, typically that'd be 1,400. But we're just on one micro there. So $140. Very nice. Great trade. We're still going down here. Even lower. Back down to the lows of the day. See if we hold them. Make our way back up to the range. Or if we start going even lower. We'll see, we'll see. I think that might be about it for me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into the stream. If you enjoyed, feel free to give me a follow. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I should be back tomorrow morning as well. Hopefully I see you guys then. Good luck with the rest of your day. See ya.